DJ Jimmy. This is Afro Mixtape, baby.
Hey guys, this is Edesfonnt. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I am going to do a flawless foundation routine video using my own makeup product that I made. So when I say I made it from scratch, I actually create my own makeup product, like cosmetics, skincare, and hair care products. So in this video, I'm using my foundation, my highlighter, primer, everything to do a flawless foundation and highlighting routine and contouring routine. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned. So first, I like to moisturize my face with this oil-free moisturizer. Okay, so the second thing that I'm going to use is this stick primer. This is the primer. I be the make I forget a man. So anytime I show, make you add your woman, no. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. Everywhere I go, man, I turn up the party. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. I don't know if you can hear. It's nothing greasy, it's really nice and silky feeling. Now that I applied the primer stick, I'm going to use this translucent setting powder that I've made. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to apply around my T-zone area. As you step in the place, see the cameras flashing, light it up and I burn it down, yeah. So by doing this, it really locks in any oil from seeping through my foundation later in the day. Let me do my eyebrows. I'm going to use these two products. So this is the brow pomade, and then this is the brow powder. Okay guys, so I'm back with my eyebrows. So now I'm going to move on with my foundation. So I use this foundation right here. So this one is a liquid foundation that is silicone free. So in my cosmetics product, I really didn't want to use anything silicone because I don't use silicone on my hair. So
it's real beats.
Baby, if you leave me, I go die, yo. Your body nice, I can't deny, yo.
So, I just applied my foundation. I don't know if you can tell, I had a mole here, but now it's gone. I don't know if you guys can tell that it did cover some of the imperfections compared to this side, which is bare. And it's not greasy, right? I have this big bright ring light that's shining on my face, but I don't see any greasiness. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish off with the other side as well.
I saw you the boss my brain box. You the destroy my.
Okay. So I like to say I blended everything out, so now my face looks so one-toned and weird looking. So yeah, I need some color back into my face, so I'm gonna move on with my concealers. Whenever I'm going to brighten up under my eyes or just do the regular highlights routine, then I like to use this brightening concealers. This one will blend out really seamlessly without no problem. You can even blend it with the beauty blender with no problem. So I have two different colors, and one of them, the darker one, I use it under my eyebrow to brighten up the look. So these two, I have these two colors right at this moment. So this is the darker one, which I used under my brows, and this is the lighter one, which I am planning on using under my eyes and the highlighting routine.
It's your boy. Yo, DJ Jimmy. This is Afro Mixtape, baby. You ready? One more time, you ready? Let's go.
Say she wanna know me, cause she know I carry cash, oh. Every day,
As we step in at the place, see the cameras flashing.
So now I'm going to use this setting powder. So this is the same as the first translucent setting powder that I applied right after the primer, but this one has a pigment, as you guys can see. Okay, it's different from this one.
They play this girls the radio. My guys they find me, they want to pay me. Oh, why you think say your girl say she wanna follow me? Baby, better man, and she don't want no other man. Say now me they make her forget a man. So anytime I show, make you at your woman, no. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. Everywhere I go, man, I turn up the party. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. Go plenty fans.
Okay, so now I'm going to move on with contouring. I use powder instead of cream to contour my face because I don't want it too harsh of a line. So this is just the powder and some other translucent ingredients inside here. So
in the place, see the cameras flashing. Light it up and I burn it down, yeah. Turn it up and I shut it down, yeah. All the ladies wanna come around, let them know say man I run this town. Say she don't know about that boy. She don't know about that boy. Say my song go much just to make them crazy. Say she like me to body where me there. And that's why she wanna go my place. She wanna go my place. She say na me be better man, and she don't want no other man. Say na me they make her forget a man. So anytime I show, make you at your woman, no. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. Everywhere I go, man, I turn up the party. Now I'm the man and the girls, them they like me. Got plenty fans and I light up the party.
It's Will Beats.
next I'm going to use blush.
Let me know what you wanna do, 'cause my feelings.
My skin tone so that I can set my foundation because I haven't done that yet.
You the boss my brain box.
I'm going to do my eyes. I'm just going to apply eyeliner and then falsies. I am using this false mink lashes right here. Okay guys, so now I'm back with my eyes. Next I'm moving on to my highlighter. So this is it. Just a little bit, okay? I'm going to add more just so that the camera can pick it up, but I usually don't apply this much, okay?
Yo, DJ Jimmy, this is Afro Mixtape, baby. You ready?
So in terms of my nose, I don't want to apply this much of a shimmer highlight on my nose, so I'm going to use a cream highlight, which is another type of highlighter, but it's in cream form, so it's much easier to apply. So this is it. So let me apply that just a little bit on my nose.
As you step in at the place, see the cameras flashing. Go my wallet, man, that's what I'm about. Swagger you bought you and I know fit to shout.
So I have two types of lip products. I have a lipstick, the traditional lipstick that I put it in the pan, and this is the liquid lipstick, attempted one. Okay, it's not a perfect one, but I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna apply it and then show you how it looks like. It's really creamy at first when you apply it, but eventually it's gonna dry out into a liquid lipstick. I don't like this color. I didn't like the first deep brown color. I'm going to use this color instead. This is pink red is what I like to call it because it's not a true red.
Say she want know me cause she know I carry cash. As you step in at the place, see the cameras flashing. Light it up and I burn it down, yeah. Turn it up and I shut it down, yeah. All the ladies wanna come around, let them know say man I run this.
Okay guys, so this is the wrap. So this was a flawless foundation routine. Hopefully I'm using my own makeup product that I made from scratch. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of this kind of video, then please like this video, comment down below on what other things you'd like to see on my channel, and please subscribe, you know, so that I will know that you guys like this video so that I can create more content. I also make skincare and hair product as well. So yeah, so if you guys like it, then please, like I said, oh, and please follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube channel, Edesfonnt. It's pronounced Edesfonnt. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.